Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I wanted to talk about one of my favorite authors whom I follow here on LinkedIn, and I'm also on her mailing list, and that is Martha Beck. Now, you may have heard of her, but just in case you haven't, I want to make sure that you do. Martha is probably one of my 5 favorite writers of all time, and she is right up at the top of the list. Oprah Winfrey has called her one of the smartest people I know, and Martha wrote a column for every issue of O magazine while it was running. Now, I've read every one of her books, which include Expecting Adam, Leaving the Saints, Finding Your Own North Star, The Joy Diet, Steering by Starlight, Finding Your Way in a Wild New World, and her first novel, Diana, An Allegory of Awakening. Diana herself, An Allegory of Awakening. Except I haven't read the most recent one yet, which is called The Way of Integrity, because I have it on my Nook and I'm saving it to savor when I take my first trip to South Dakota with my husband to see my family since COVID hit, now that everybody is vaccinated. Martha Beck is the president of her company, Martha Beck Inc., and every word that this woman writes has helped improve my life. Now, she's also an internationally famous speaker, and I don't think I happened to mention she had 3 children while she was completing 3 degrees from Harvard. On her website, marthabeck.com, you'll find a number of audio products and masterclasses to help you create your right life. She also loves to cover herself in birdseed and sit outside in nature. If you haven't already checked out Martha Beck's work, please do so. She's one of the very best examples I know of women who are living up to their highest, most compassionate, joyful potential and helping others to do the same. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and if you'd like to take advantage of my free 30-minute consultation about your voice, you can find me at laurahandke.com or right here on LinkedIn.